Today's episode is part 3 of a series that will be coming to you every few weeks or so. In each episode I'll have a running session with a few locos trundling around the layout. I'll be talking about any updates with the layout, and I'll also be including a few shout outs to some channels and people and websites that I've met along my way. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Shelvington. My name is Andy and this is my model railway in the garage. So let's get straight on with the updates of what's been happening. So I've not done an awful lot this last couple of weeks. My back is still not great. It's getting better slowly. I'm seeing a bit of improvement every day. At least now I can stand up almost straight, but not for long. And now it only takes me a few minutes to get out of bed, which is good as opposed to the 45 minutes that it was taking a couple of weeks ago. So thanks to everyone that commented. Thanks for all your concern, guys. I really do appreciate it. But because of my limited movement, nothing much has happened on the layout. I did manage to get a little bit here and there tidied up, but nothing major. I'll cover that in the later episode. I should have a few deliveries this week. I've got a new HST on order. I've been toying with the idea of going for the cheaper one or the more expensive one. I think the cheaper one was around $350 and the more expensive was around $700. So yeah, I went with the cheap one. So hopefully that should be here by the end of the week. I also managed to find a few Class 66 locos as well. They're on sale at a local hobby shop in New Zealand, IronHorse Hobbies. They're in Christchurch. Normally the 66s retail for around $210, but they're on special, on sale over Easter at just $125 each. So a real saving. I think it said it was around 40% off, and shipping was only $5, so I'm really pleased. Really pleased with the service from these guys. I've bought from them in the past and they've never let me down. I just wish they were more local. My only disappointment is, and it's totally my fault, it's not them, but I ordered on the 29th of March, which was Good Friday, meaning the order won't even be processed till the following Tuesday. So I won't expect the models to be here until the end of that week. So like I say, it's not their fault, it's totally mine. I just wish that I'd spotted them earlier so I could have ordered them earlier. They'll all need DCC chips in as well. They'll all need to be installed. I'll have a rummage around, see what I've got, but chances are I'll have to order some new ones. But hopefully I'll be able to get all that done and sorted in the next few weeks. Once we've got them here and once we've got the chips sorted, I'll get a video of all of them running around. So last couple of weeks I've been busy updating my channel's thumbnails. Let me know in the comments what you think. I can't tell on the YouTube analytic pages. It doesn't seem to have made any difference at all, but let me know what you think. Please be truthful. I won't be offended. I'm learning. This is all new to me. So keep the comments coming. Just let me know what you think. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel and click the like button. Subscription is free. It just helps build the channel. It helps other like-minded modelers find the information that I'm putting out there. Don't be shy in the comments. Anything, talk about anything, it's all good. Anything you want to know, anything you want to ask, pop it down in the comments. Right, shout out time. So my first shout out this week goes to Monsville Railways. I'll put a link on the screen. Hopefully that'll be sort of top right, top left, somewhere up there anyway. I'll put a link in the description as well. So from his About Me page, it says, this channel shows the progressive development and building of my model railways along with running of various locomotives as my collection grows. The processes shown are ones that I've developed from watching many YouTube channels on model railways and terrain and diorama development and adopting the techniques that work best for the way I build. These processes are explained in detail later in the video list, so stay tuned to see how I approach the terrain surfacing of my layouts. So head on over to Monsville, check out his videos, they look pretty cool. My second shout out this week is to IronHorse Hobbies, of course. As I said earlier, they've never let me down. They have genuine sales throughout the year. I don't know if they ship overseas, so this shout out's more aimed at my New Zealand followers. They're going to benefit more than my overseas friends, so go check them out anyway. It's a good website to have a look around. If you want your YouTube channel, website, or anything mentioned in the comments, just get in touch. Drop me a line in the comments, or you can email me at shelvingtonrailway@gmail.com. Anyway, thanks to Monsville and thanks to IronHorse Hobbies. Go and check them out. So I'm going to shut up again for today. Like I said earlier on, if you like what you see, please consider subscribing. Keep the comments coming. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your continued support. Hopefully I'm on the mend and should be able to do some more things, hopefully, in the next couple of weeks. Yeah, physio and doctor's appointments all lined up, so fingers crossed. I'll leave you now with a few locos running around the layout. Until next time, cheers, see ya.